Scientific study of RIG VEDA, class 67. Today we are going through the Sooktha-29 and the Mandras from 1 to 4. This is in Mandal 1. Here the Devata is INDRA. INDRA means science is not enough for producing anything. For example, we know hydrogen and oxygen will combine to form water. That is what the science says. But to produce water, there should be one person or force or anything like that to coordinate such activities. If there is a recipe, it will not convert it into the food item. Somebody should be there. So the recipe is science, and somebody should be there to coordinate the activities to convert it into food item. In engineering field, engineering is science and management is the coordinating force, principles. So in the creation of universe also, there is a force controlling all such activities based on this science. And that force here is Indra. We have already seen this in the last classes. Now let us go through the mantra 1.
RIGVEDam Mandal 1 Sooktham 29 Rishi Shunashevan Devada Indran Chandas Pandit Yachittis Satya Somava Anashastha Ivasmasi Atuna Indra Samshaya Goshashveshu Shuprishu Sahasreshu Tu Vimakham.
It says Indra is the truth. Truth means the driving force in every our action. It is coordinating our action. If we are doing any work, there may be some restructuring or anything like that is taking place in that work. And Indra is the force which coordinates such activities based on science. Based on which science we are going to produce new things. So he will act based on the truth or the science. It will act based on this truth or science. So it is the truth, Lord of truth. Or it is taking the soma. Soma means input. We are giving input to the system. And in the system there is a driving force which will convert it into the product. So that system is taking that input and it is giving us another product, another item that is called a product. So Indra is taking this soma or these inputs and tells it to give us so many Go and Ashwa. Go and Ashwa means cow or energy. Ashwa means horse. Horse means in a way as per Veda it is energy. So go here means or cow means as per Veda it is material and energy. We are producing different things. This may be either a product or a material product, or it may be in the form of energy. In the generator we are producing energy. In the case of hydrogen and oxygen we are producing water by combining hydrogen and oxygen. Likewise. So it tells Indra to give us so many products in the form of Go and Ashwa. That means in the form of material product or in the form of energy. Now let us go through the second mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദ മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 29-2 ക്ഷിപ്രിന്വാ ജാനാം പതേ ശജീവസ്തവ ദംസനാ ആതുന ഇന്ദ്ര ശംസയ ഘോഷേഷു ശുദ്രിഷു സഹസ്രേഷു തു വീമഖാം.
It says Indra is very strong. Indra means it is the force which converting this material input to product. Sometimes it may be breaking that material. For example, in the case of raw rice, it is very hard, and on cooking it will become soft. So Indra is going inside the rice and breaking that bonds inside it to make it soft. So it is very strong. At the time of explosion of a bomb, it is very strong. So Indra is very strong to do any work. And here also it says Indra to give us thousands of go and ashwas or material products or energy. Here the difference is Indra is powerful to take up any activity provided it should be based on science principles. Now let us go through the third mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദ മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 29-3 നിഷ്വാപയാ മിഥുദൃശ സസ്ഥാം അബുദ്ധമാനേ ആതുന ഇന്ദ്ര സംശയ ഘോഷേഷു ശുഭ്രിഷു സഹസ്രേഷു തു വീമഖാം.
It says to Indra that we are facing a number of problems. For example, poverty. Poverty is a problem we are facing. So in our life we are facing a number of problems or hurdles or anything like that, opposition or anything like that. To overcome this, we are doing some work. And in that work, Indra is the coordinating force which take part in the action and gives us the result to overcome these problems or enemies. It tells Indra to make sure that they will not rise again. The opposition, this problem will not come further. It should be completely eliminated. For example, in the case of poverty is a problem we are facing in many countries. So, to remove that, we should do some work. Based on this, we can remove poverty. So, it should be removed for an indefinite period. Then it again says, you should give us go and assure thousands of goes and assure. That means material like products and energy or energy. Now let us go through the fourth mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദ മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 29-4 സസന്തുത്വ അരാധയോ ബോധന്തു ശൂരരാധയഃ ആതുന ഇന്ദ്ര സംശയ ഘോഷേഷു ശുഭ്രിഷു സഹസ്രേഷു തു വീമഖാം.
It tells Indra to keep our enemy in the sleeping position. They should not rise. That means all our problems should be suppressed. And our mitras or friends should be awakened at all times. So enemy should be suppressed and friends or supporting factors should be active on all times, by which we should get thousands of go and assure. That means cow and a horse or material product or in the form of energy. Now we can go through the next three mantras in the next class.